How to customize notification sound on Facebook Messenger on iPhone, mainly on iOS26 or any other iPhone you have. Tap on settings button, then go to the app section, tap on it. Once tap on it, in the list of app you have here, locate and tap on messenger, or you tap messenger or message on the list here, then tap on messenger. Make sure that your messenger apps is up to date. Now go ahead and tap on notification here where you see banner sound and badges. Tap on it. Make sure that this button is enabled. If this button is not enabled, tap on it to enable it on your device. Now you see this and sound here, you can tap on this to enable on toggle this one, then scroll up a bit until this button that says manager messenger notification settings. Tap on it. Tapping on it will direct you to this interface. Now you have a lot of option here. You want to set your message notification, you can see it there, guys. Message, new message and activity is on, so tap on it to toggle it on. Then you can as well set notification when logging. Tap on it, so when you log in you have notification. Then you can as well message reminder. Tap on it to toggle it on. Then you can as well set new friend chat. Tap on it to toggle, so each time your friends chat you guys, you have notification. So guys, this is the simple process on how to customize notification on messenger apps on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.